Hi guys, this is zboy. So okay, how to start this video? I will not start by saying my intro. Okay, so first things first. A lot of people are asking me, why did I start YouTube? Sometimes I want to ask myself also, why? I mean, that's crazy, right? When you do something like that. When you do something that people can see. Like, people throughout the world can see. One of the hardest parts of going to YouTube, you're the one who directs your films, and also you are the one who is the actors and in that certain video that you have, and also you are the producer and you are the editor of that certain film, which is very hard. So people are asking, why are you starting a YouTube channel? Is that for the fame? Is that for the money? Well, all I can say is a no for me. Because as much as I can say, YouTube has been a part of my life since I did not start doing vlogs. So all I can say is that I started YouTube because of the fact that YouTube gives life. Like, it makes me feel like life is worth living for. That's it. Sometimes it's hard, sometimes you can say that the YouTube algorithm is hard to know, and sometimes you can say that, oh, maybe I will not get monetized and all of my hard works will really, will not go into what you wanted, and your dreams will not come true, which is hard, right? But the fact that you love what you're doing, you love vlogging, you love crazy things, you love different angles of your life that you wanted to share people and you wanted to inspire others, is, I think, one of the most important things that YouTube gives. It is not worth to be paid by money or anything else. And also, as much as you have the guts to post your photos, you also find a home, which is a home which you have also a family that have you know that you can say that you have the same thing, you have the same minds, and that's what makes you closer, and that's what makes you happy, and that's what makes you not scared of continuing and pursuing this dream. So that's it. This is Boy TBN, and that's the reason why I started YouTube.